Tracking content is really important. Every single day, my team posts new content on Facebook to create more engagement with my audience. I want that as soon as a new post is created on my Facebook page, automatically I will see the record of that same post that has been created in my Google Sheets. Now, if I'm going to track the data manually myself, like I will definitely miss out on the content that is posted on my Facebook page. Not just that, there might be days where I can duplicate the entries, miss out the entries, or enter error entries. So, in order to skip all the things, all the problems that I have to do the work manually, I have created this setup to complete this task. Now, whenever a new Facebook post is going to be created, so let me show you how first. So let's suppose I'm going to create the post for specifically this Pabbly Connect product. I'm going to add the caption, Pabbly Connect. I'm going to add a new emoji right here. And I will create this new post on my Facebook page in front of you. So let me do that. Now you will see the post is created successfully. If I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will see within few seconds, it will usually takes 5 to 10 seconds. Automatically, the post is going to sync inside my Google Sheets. Today's date, Pabbly Connect was the caption. And if I'm going to open this image, this is the same image that I've created as a post. And in this manner, I can keep the track of my Facebook post. With that, I can have the backup of all the content that is created on my Facebook page so that I can see what is going on, okay? So this is how the setup is actually going to work. No one is entering the data manually. You can see there is no one on the sheet. This data has been entered automatically with the help of this setup. So if you want to learn how you can create this setup for your business as well, so without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing setup using the software Pabbly Connect. So if you want to start using this automation tool on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can create and test out this setup right away absolutely for free. And then if you like using Pabbly Connect, you want to get the access of their unlimited features as well. You can purchase their yearly or one-time plans. If you want additional discounts, if you're thinking of purchasing their plans, I am going to give you a gift. The coupon code on the left side of my screen, the same code is in the description section, is going to help you to get instant and amazing discounts. Go ahead, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. And I have already created the template, logged into my Pabbly Connect account, created the template. So this is the template right here. If you want this template as well, you can check out the workflow link in the description section below. It's absolutely free to use. Now over here, Facebook pages, new post is the event. I'm going to create the connection. Click on this connect option. Go to add new connection. Click on this connect with Facebook pages button. Click on this continue account as well as this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we have to select the Facebook page on which you're creating your post. I'm creating the post on my Facebook page in the name of Digital Dynamics. So I will select this page from the drop down. After that, I want the simple response. I'll select this format, click on the Save and Send Test Request button, and it will say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook page is connected to Pabbly Connect or not in front of you, I'm going to create a new post. And then we'll see the response of that post has been captured in my trigger or not, okay? So let's suppose I will create this post right here. So this is the caption, create your first voice AI agent with us now. This is the post. I will create and post it on my Facebook page. As now, I have posted this new image with the caption on my Facebook page. You will see it's been posted. You will see within few seconds the response of that same image that you've created as a post on your Facebook page is going to be captured in the trigger. We'll tally the response. The page is Digital Dynamics. This is the link of the image. I will open this link on a new tab. You can see this is the same image I've posted with the same caption. So as now I have received the details of this post, this means the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is completed. In my Google Sheets, I want to keep the record of the caption as well as the link. And I want the post date as well. But in the response, you have received the created date and time in a timestamp format. If I'll show you, let me scroll down. You can see right here, created time in a timestamp format. I want the simple date format right here. For that, simply in this workflow itself, add an action step where for the action application, select over here datetime formatted by Pabbly in the event as current date because I want the current date. So using this feature, you can get the current date. Click on this connect option, select the format in which you want your date. I want the date in this format. Simply click on this button. You will receive the current date now. So you have the post details as well as the date. Let's create the record in our Google Sheets. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you created your spreadsheet from here and then give the permission as this is a safe process and our data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now firstly for the spreadsheet I've created one in the name of Facebook post details and the sheet in the name of sheet 1, so I'll select the details. Now for the data of these fields we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step, add a slash previous step is going to appear. For the post date this is the data I want to enter, so I'll select the date from my previous response which makes this data mapped in dynamic. Now whenever a new date response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this map data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the caption that I've received as well as the image link. Click on the save and send test request button. You will receive this response right here. Go back, you will see the same record is created successfully, the image, caption and the date. So as now the response has been captured successfully, this means the connection between Facebook page and Google Sheets is now created. Now you can track your Facebook page content automatically through the setup. So if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, use the code on the left side of my screen, ANGYT, to get instant amazing discounts. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.